Hello, in this JavaScript programming tutorial, I am going to show you class inheritance. So class inheritance works similar in the way, inheritance does in biology in humans, where, a child comes from mother and father and you inherit certain genes, certain traits from your parents. Unlike genetic inheritance, it's not kind of a free for all, and it's hard to predict exactly what you'll inherit. You know exactly what you're going to inherit in terms of classes. You specify this. Okay, so class inheritance, we have, let's say, this class right here, car, bike. What are these classes? What's a car and what's a bike? They're both vehicles. So let's create a vehicle class. The class vehicle, like so. And let's go a step further and move this constructor into here. We won't add a constructor into any of these, we'll just leave it like this. So we'll say okay, that is all cool. And let's create a function in here. Let's just call this vehicle func, and we'll just print something out like console.log. Okay, this function is from the vehicle class. Now, if we want car and let's say bike to inherit from the vehicle class, at the end here, we simply put the keyword extends, the name of the class. So I'll just copy and paste this. Oh, what happened there? Copy it, paste it. Now if we run it, let's see what we get. Okay, so the first two results are fine. For this one, it's messing up because remember, we don't have a different constructor for bike. It's still using the same one in vehicle class. So we need to specify some values. So the initial x and y coordinates. Well, I'm just going to say it's at 0, 0. Almost like the center of a graph. If we reload, we get 0, 0. This is a constructor. But have a look at this. So if I, let's say, do bike obj, as you can see, this is empty. Like there's nothing in here at all. Let's say if I do vehicle func, save that, refresh, boom, there we go. This function is from the vehicle class. And as an extra task, I want to do the same, but with the car object, and you'll see that we are able to access all of the variables, the methods, the properties of the parent class. And that's what it's called, parent and child classes. And as an extra task, what I want you to do is go even a step further, create another class that inherits from one of these classes, and that will be like grandfather, parent, child inheritance. And that's it for class inheritance. Nothing more to it than that. You can obviously have more variables, more functions with complex functionality that accepts parameters to maybe compute something, returns a value. Doesn't really matter what you do, as long as you understand this is how inheritance works. We have a parent class. These two classes are inheriting from it. As you can see, bike literally has nothing of its own, yet the constructor is able to do something, store a couple of variables, console at these 3 lines, and then we have a function called vehicle func. So that's it for class inheritance. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. The GitHub link will be provided as well with all the source code, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.